hindi nakapag-attend. Alright, good evening everyone. Welcome po sa ating who's excited for tonight for our topic. Sino po dito yung excited sa topic natin tonight? Digital wealth? Grabe. Ako I'm very excited. Guys, this is very interesting topic. This is first time na ibabagsak ko. And I want you to be focused on this one. Because this topic, hindi mo ito makukuha kung kahit saan. Okay? So, this is very interesting. Kasi this topic, hindi mo to shout out po lahat, yung mga kababayan natin. So, digital wealth. All right. Wait. Let me just... All right. Okay, guys. If you can open your camera, you can open your camera so you can still focus, find a place na hindi po kayo madidisturb. Because what you're saying tonight is hindi nyo ito makikita kung kahit saan-saan. So I want you to see this one in a very good perspective. Okay? So are you guys ready? Ready? If you are ready, can you type wealth? Can you type wealth if you are ready? Can you type wealth on the chat box if you are ready? Wealth. Wow. Thank you. Who's ready to create wealth? Wow. Grabe. So dito pag-uusapan paano mag-create ng wealth in this digital. Alright, start tayo. I think everyone set up. 108 participants tonight. Everyone is set up. Everyone is ready. Wealth, ready to create wealth. I like that. I like your energy, guys. I like your energy. Thank you so much. Unlock the future, build wealth in this digital age. Yun yung topic natin is how to unlock the future, how to secure the future, and how we build wealth in this digital age. Grabe guys, hindi po ito pinag-iusapan kahit saan-saan. Hindi po ito pinag-uusapan sa barbero, hindi po ito pinag-uusapan sa parlor, hindi po ito pinag-uusapan sa eskwelahan. Dito lang natin yan sa Pinoy Trading Community, Kabayan Trading Community, and Bisaya Trading Community. Alright, guys. Pakilala ko muna yung sarili ko, baka may iba na hindi pa nakapag kumbaga hindi ko pa na-introduce yung self ko. I'm Nars Paraguya, 43 years old from Cagayan de Oro City. Nag-graduate po ako sa Ateneo de Cagayan. And then 10 years na po ako sa digital business. That's why I'm so kumbaga yung heart ko talaga nasa digital business na. Dahil sa digital business, nakapag-build ako ng mga traditional businesses, mga brick and mortar. Isa na dito is my mountain resort. After I earned in digital business, nakafocus ako sa traditional business. I was also a licensed financial, I'm an existing rather, not a was. I'm a licensed financial consultant. I started Forex trading since 2017. Bisaya Trading Community and Kabayan Trading, I founded it. I'm the founder and the admin. Half of last year, bumalik ako, nag-focus ako sa digital marketing kasi may nakita ako. So, why I'm doing this one? As you can see, I'm a family guy. I love to be with my family. Ito na yung ginagawa ko. I'm driving my family sa paaralan kasi yung iba, yung mga kakilala namin dito, yung mga, especially yung kino-coach namin, tumatawag sila. While tumatawag sila, hindi nila alam. I'm driving kasi yun, that's me. For me, that's happiness na makapag-serve ako sa family. Nandiyan ako sa family ko. So kung may time, nagka-car camping kami. And by the way, this car is an FG Cruiser. Is also bought, not to brag, but just to, dahil po sa digital business. So, syempre, pinaghirapan natin yan. So, yeah, opportunities are like sunrises. If you wait too long, you miss them. Ano po yung ibig sabihin yan? Ang ibig sabihin yan is there are timing kung paano po pumasok sa opportunities. How to get in and how. Maraming nakasabay sa opportunities, marami ding hindi nakasabay sa opportunities. Right now, we will talking about opportunities in digital wealth. Okay, in this digital age right now. So I want you to see this webinar in not just a normal. I want you to see this webinar, hindi lang yung nakikinig kayo. Hindi lang yung may nakita yung presentation ko. But I want you to see this one in a different lens. In a different perspective. Because principle number 1, if you can't see it, you can't get it. Write it down if you want. You can write it in the chat. Principle number 1, if you can't see it, kung hindi mo makita sa mga mata mo, kung hindi mo makita sa vision mo, you can't get it. Ay, yung iba, walang nakuha kasi hindi nila nakita. One of the very good true story for this one is, mayroong dalawang college student from Dale University. During their summer break, pumunta sila sa India. Okay. And then, yung isa napansin niya, at that time, I think it was 70s, 80s, at that time, yung mga rural place doon sa India, yung mga tao walang sapatos. Yung mga tao walang sapatos doon. Sabi niya, siguro maganda magbigosyo dito ng sapatos kasi ang mga tao walang sapatos. Sabi naman ng isa, ay hindi ka pwedeng magnegosyo ng sapatos dito kasi yung mga tao nga hindi sumusuot ng sapatos. You see, one situation, but two of them see the vision, or mayroon sila, iba-iba yung nakita nila, iba-iba yung lenses nakita nila. Ang situation is sa mga tao, somewhere in India, rural, hindi sumusuot ng sapatos. Yung isa nakita niya maganda siguro mag-business ng sapatos dito because walang sumusuot ng sapatos. But yung isa sabi niya hindi maganda kasi walang sumusuot. Same situation pero ibang lenses. Guess what? These two guys went to the United States. The other guy go back to school. The other guy developed a prototype to make a rubber shoes. And to make the story short, the one who made the shoes and marketed in India became a multi-millionaire while his classmate is still studying at naghihirap. At dumating yung time yung classmate niya, in-employ niya sa company kasi may nakita siya dun sa situation na yon. So that's what I want you to see right now. I want you to see this presentation in the lens of your opportunity. All right? Can you type C? Seeing? No, I want you to see. I don't want you to hear. I don't want you to just understand. Letter C. I like that interpretation. Letter C na lang. I like that. Di ba? I don't want you to see it. I don't want you to understand it. I don't want you to hear it. I want you to see this in a lens of opportunity. Ibang lens po. All right. I think we are all set and let's ready. The objective of this webinar is to empower participants with actionable strategies to create wealth in digital market. Ulitin ko po. The objective of this webinar is to empower participants with actionable knowledge to create wealth in digital market. Now, sino dito gustong mag-create wealth in digital market? Can you type dollar? Dollar na naman. Okay, dollar. I just want to see this one is interactive. Okay? Can you type dollar? To create digital. Okay. Including crypto, forex, while understanding the fast evolving opportunities. Ulitin ko po. By understanding fast evolving opportunities in this digital age. Ibig ko sabihin, mabilis po nag-evolve. Mabilis po mag-evolve. Ngayon, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano siya mabilis. Ibig ko sabihin, kung nakasabay kayo sa evolvement na ito, mabilis po kayong kumita. At hindi lang basta-basta kumita. 6 digit in just 1 month, 2 months, or even 1 day, and like 7 digit in just months away. So, hindi ka kagaya dati that it took years or lifetime bago kumita ka ng million. Iba na ngayon because we are in the fast evolving opportunities. All right, are you getting this one? And this is what we call digital revolution. Mayroon mo ngayong nangyayari. Revolution digitally. And to understand digital revolution, I want you to see the evolution of money. Grabe pinag-usapan natin dito pera. Siyempre para kumita tayo ng pera. I want you to understand the evolution of money. Okay? So originally, we use goods to trade, no? Our cow for your milk. So here's my milk, here's your car, cow by the way, wala pang car pala dati. So here's my cacao to your grain, and here's my grain to your whatever. So it's barter. But it's still officially called trade. No, this is the oldest way of trade. So ang trading pala dati na to. And then eventually nagkaroon ng mga tinatawag na mga precious metals like gold and silver, 'di ba? Kaya sabi sa Bible, silver and gold. Okay. So gold and silver, and eventually naging metal coins. So from the gold coin and then the silver coin, and right now we are using coppers and zinc as coins. And nag-evolve siya naging papel. Okay? Papel. Pera. Nag-evolve siya naging cards. Plastic cards. Okay? So this is the start of the digital age. The cards. Pero physical pa. Kailangan physical card. Okay? Physical. Ngayon, mayroon na. Hindi na ano na. Apps na. So electronic. Okay, ito nasa electronic na ngayon. And yung pinakagrabe ngayon is yung cryptocurrency. So from here, nag-evolve siya. Ang bilis ng evolve na titingnan mo. Bilis ng evolution ng ano. So from barter system to digital era. So that's why we call digital evolution. All right. So guys, new opportunities for wealth creation. Anong ibig sabihin ng evolution? Digital evolution, mayroon siya mga bagong opportunities. Kaya gusto kong makita ninyo sa lens of your opportunity eye. Okay? So the lens of your opportunity, cryptocurrencies have created millionaires overnight. Overnight. Pinakamaraming naging milyonaryo. Bata pa naging milyonaryo na. And offer innovative ways to earn. Maraming paraan. Mamaya pag-usapan natin 3 simple ways kung how to get involved yourself, how to get in. Paano makakuha ng portion? Kahit portion lang. Kahit portion of the pie lang kukunin natin. 3 simple ways. Doon po sa dulo ibibigay ko sa inyo. Alright? And of course, Forex trading offers leverage trading, enable small investment na kahit maliit lang yung starting mo, you can control a larger portion of increasing potential profit. So ito po yung ibig sabihin na tinatawag ko na digital revolution. Kasi marami na naging milyonaryo to cryptocurrencies and marami nang kumuha ng malaking pera kahit maliit lang yung capital nila. Imagine, di ba? Sa traditional business, you need big money, big capital. Okay? But ngayon, mayroon kahit small money lang, small capital, you can earn big. So yun yung pag-uusapan natin today. That's why I want you, walang kukurap, because this is something kung makikita mo ito, I'm sure makuha mo ito. Okay? So, to continue, this revolution symbolized freedom, innovation, empowerment, allowing people to take control. Listen, allowing people to take control of their finances. Sino dito gustong makontrolan yung finances nila? In an imaginable way. Anong ibig sabihin ng imaginable way? Hindi ka panipaniwala. Wow, ganito na pala nangyari sa akin. Hindi ka panipaniwala. Just a decade ago, grabe. It is reshaping the future of money, opening doors, ibig sabihin opportunity for, listen, here's the criteria, for everyone willing to embrace the digital economy. Ibig sabihin, hindi ito para sa lahat. O, ulitin ko po, hindi po ito para sa lahat. Okay. Sino ito? Sino para kanino lang ito? For everyone who are willing to embrace the digital economy. Now, ang tanong ko sa inyo, who's willing to embrace the digital economy? Who's willing to embrace the digital economy? 100%, hindi lahat yumaman. Hindi lahat pwede maging milyonaryo. Those, una, yung makakita sa opportunity. Yung pangalawa, willing to embrace. Guys, whether you like it or not, kailangan nyo na itong i-embrace. Dati, walang gumagamit ng GCash. When pandemic hits, wow, everyone, wala nang gustong gumamit ng pera. Everyone GCash na. So that's how the revolution evolves. Dati, walang gustong gumamit ng GoTime. Ngayon, GoTime. You can transact anywhere, transactions in the whole world using GoTime. So if you want to continue to be to Stone Age, walang problema. But Kung sabi siya, padugay man kayo to. This digital age is skyrocketing. Ito nga tinatawag natin dito na mga taga-crypto na to the moon. Kasi yung pera mo, pwedeng mag times 10 or times 16 in 3 days. Mamaya, papakita ko sa inyo. Anong coin na nag times 16? Bago lang, lately lang, in just 3 days. So this again, ulitin ko, this is not for everyone. But I would like to congratulate the 150 participants that I hear right now. I'm sure, partly or somehow, you are willing to embrace in this digital age kasi nandito ka. Yes. Salamat po. Thank you po, Janet. Sabi, cashless na. Darating ang araw na maging cashless society na tayo. Okay? And been a fan of cashless transactions since 2017. Yes, cashless na po. Sa ibang country, you don't need to bring bills. Cashless na po. So whether you like it or not, we are getting into digital economy. So kaya ipapakita ko sa inyo, pre-represent ko sa inyo para makita niyo kasi kapag ka nakita niyo, makukuha niyo. Kung hindi niyo makita, hindi niyo ito makukuha. Hindi niyo ito masasabayan. Okay? Remember, it takes a businessman to see a vision. And it takes a businessman to see that vision into a reality. So nasa digital world na po tayo ngayon. Maraming pagbabago guys. ABS-CBN nawala, naging Netflix, naging YouTube, diba? Mga radio station, wala ng AM station. I don't know kung may nakikinig pa ba ngayon. Lahat na nasa social media. Everything is evolved in the digital world. Whether you like it or not, I want you to be part of evolving. Because kung hindi po kayo part, it's either you are a victim of this digitalization or you are a winner. Anong ibig sabihin ng victim? Dumating yung time na konti na lang yung employment because of AI. So yung mga nag-trust sa employment, na victim sila. But do you think yung time na maraming maging millionaire because of AI? Because they are naging service provider sila ng AI. So, hey, Marie Chris Puentes, join na tabi. Oy, naday mga bidin ni. Alright? So, it's either you're a victim, but again, this is not for everyone. This is only for those willing to embrace the digital economy. And you are here, that means you are willing to embrace. Okay, let me continue. So, tonight, we'll be focused on crypto, which represented by Bitcoin, of course, and we will talking about currency or Forex, which represented by major currencies like USD and Euro USD. By the way, you can throw your question on the chat box right now. I'm as long as within the context, okay? Hindi siya out topic, so sasagutin ko. Pero kung out of the context, hindi ko siya sasagutin. Okay? So focus muna tayo ngayon. Bitcoin itself, malaking pag-uusapan na yan. That's a different topic. Forex itself, that's a different topic. But ito yung focus ko ngayon for tinatawag natin na digital wealth. Okay, now guys. Lately lang, nagkaroon ng grabe yung news sa social media na tinatawag natin na ATH ng Bitcoin. Anong ibig sabihin ng ATH sa Bitcoin? Guys, may nag-post ATH Bitcoin. Anong ibig sabihin? Sinong may alam? Wow, alam niyo talaga. Alam niyo talaga. All-time high. Ibig sabihin guys, nag-all-time high si Bitcoin. Actually, ang all-time high niya ngayon is I think 107 na, if I'm not mistaken. Yung screenshot ko to yesterday. 107,000 USD. Okay. 100,000 USD. But ito papakita ko sa inyo guys kung gaano siya kabilis. Okay. This is my screenshot on my I think TradingView. Okay. 2020s. Nas 2020 guys, ang presyo ni Bitcoin is only 12,000. 12,000. Imagine niyo. 4 years ago, 5 years ago, ang presyo ni Bitcoin is 10,000, 12,000. Okay? I want you to focus this one. And then, right now, ang presyo ni Bitcoin is naging 107 na. So, ibig sabihin, kung bumili ka ng isang Bitcoin at that time, during 12 or during 10, let's say, if meron kang 500,000, bimili mo sa isang Bitcoin at ngayon naging 107,000 na si Bitcoin. Ibig sabihin, yung 500,000 mo naging 6 million na. 6 million na. Are you with me? In 4 years. Anong ginagawa mo? Wala kang ginagawa. Actually. Kaya ganun karaming yumayaman ngayon, guys. This is not a working hard generation. This is a working smart generation. Pero mas maganda, work harder ka pa, work smarter ka pa. No, this is not a work hard generation anymore. Tapos na yung slave generation. Ito yung work smart. Ibig sabihin, guys, kung meron kang BTC, Bitcoin 4 years, 5 years ago, bumili mo ng isa, that's 500,000 approximately. Yung 500,000 mo ngayon, nagiging 6 million na. Ibig sabihin, with just 4 years, 4 years, kumita ka ng 5.5 million. Wow, sinong gusto ng ganyan? Sino gusto kumita ng million sa ilang taon lang? Alright? Grabe, no? Grabe yung growth ng Bitcoin ngayon. And another, guys, is this one. Okay? Tingnan nyo. British Investment Regulation Consultancy, sabi ni Helen and Partners, found that maraming 172 individuals held more millions in crypto. Maraming naging milyonaryo dahil sa cryptocurrency, pag-hold ng asset sa cryptocurrency. Okay? This is a study. 95 more than in 2024. The number of Bitcoin millionaires are more doubled. Doble na dumoble na doble, rumami ng dumami, maging milyonaryo dahil sa cryptocurrency. At mabilis lang. At madali lang. Sino dito gustong maging milyonaryo sa mabilis na paraan at sa madali na paraan? Wow. Grabe. No? Think about it. No? Report said that 232 crypto millionaires, those millionaires increase. Grabe, dumami. And then estimated 34% of them, it's like 1 out of 3, 24 to 35 years old pa ang babata. 24 to 25 years old globally own crypto. So, ibig sabihin, pabilis yung kumita at pabata yung naging milyonaryo. Okay? So, those are based on the study. No? And then there's a story from financial crisis to financial fortune. Sino nagkaroon ng financial crisis ngayon? Sino nagkaroon ng financial crisis? Maraming utang, maraming babayaran, ang daming problema sa pera. It's okay to admit. Wala naman siguro dito yung inuutangan ninyo. Okay? Isa lang, di ba? Magkano yung utang niyo? Lagay niyo lang. Okay lang yan. Para i-solve natin. At least you know. Okay? From financial crisis. Wow, I like that. From financial crisis to 60, maliit lang yan. Dagdagan mo pa. 300, maliit lang yan. Maliit lang yan. Financial crisis. Alam nyo, dahil sa itong sinasabi natin na digital revolution, mayroong isang country na karoon ng financial crisis na solve nila dahil sa crypto. Alright? Let me give you an example. This is President Nayib Bukele. Okay? A president in Valenzuela. Okay. President in Valenzuela. President of the country. No? Accumulated 5,900 BTC achieved. Kumita last year, kumita siya ng 333 million from the initial of 269 million investment fueled by Bitcoin. Yung dumating yung Bitcoin sa 100,000. Yun, sobra na sa 100,000. So, ibig sabihin pala, may isang presidente, nagka-problema yung bansa nila. Ang solution na ginawa niya is pumasok sa crypto. And nasolve yung solution niya kasi pumutok yung Bitcoin niya. Remember, in Venezuela, they have a problem kasi meron sila yung pinakagrabe. Venezuela is the worst inflation rate. Si Valenzuela, yung pera nila doon, bundle. Kung nakita niyo sa documentary, sa yung pera nila, bundle. Sa atin, bundle, milyon na yan. Sa kanila, bundle. Pero it's like coins to them. because of the inflation rate. Okay, titingnan niyo sa documentary What Happened to Venezuela. Yung maraming pera nila ng mga papel, wala nang nagkakandara pa na lang sa sahig, sa street because wala nang kasi wala nang value yung pera nila. Kung meron man, napakaliit ng value because of the inflation rate. Ganyan yung nangyari sa kanila. But how they resolved it? Cryptocurrency nagiging isang solution sa kanila. So hindi lang ito talaga pwede yung financial crisis ito masusolve. Kung nasusolve yung financial crisis sa isang bansa, kaya rin isolve yung financial crisis sa isang tao. Remember, sa isang bansa, mas maraming tao. Ibig sabihin, mas maraming crisis na sasolve compared sa isa. But what I want you to see is, I want you to see it so that you can get it. And I want you to open. All right? Another example is a young guy, Eric Finsman. Sino kakilala kay Eric Finsman? Eric Finsman is Valenzuela got almost bankrupt. Yes, tama si David. Almost bankrupt. Sana ganun. Wag naman sana. I mean, wag naman yung mabankrupt sa Pilipinas. Yung, kaya open-minded. Kung open-minded, okay? So, darating din tayo dyan kasi mayroon na tayong mga ganitong klaseng community. So, Eric Finman's journey to becoming a billionaire. But guys, don't wait for your country to bail you. Wag kang, wag mo, ano ibig sabihin yan? Wag mong hintayin na yung presidente gagawa ng paraan kasi hindi naman kailangan to be a president to engage this one. In our own level, we can engage this one right now. See this guy, very young. Eric Finsman's journey of becoming a millionaire started when he was just 12 years old. 12 years old, ha? In 2011, he took 1,000 gift from his grandma. Binili niya ng Bitcoin around $12 per coin. $12. Imaginein mo, $12. So $12 sa 100, sa 1,000, bimili niya ng Bitcoin $12. Ibig sabihin, meron siyang 83 Bitcoin. Remember right now, how much is Bitcoin? 5 million plus in peso. 5 million plus in peso. So imaginein mo, kung 5 million lang per Bitcoin times 83, kung magkano yung asset ngayon, ang asset niya ngayon is umaabot ng $500 million. almost $500 million. Wow, imagine, may nakita siya. May nakita siyang opportunity. Mayroon siya nakita niyo yung digital wealth. Can you imagine? Okay. Di ba? Grabe. Grabing batang to. And right now, he's a multi-millionaire. Bumili lang siya ng crypto. Wala na siyang ginagawa. Okay. So, ito yung sinasabi ko guys. 3 days. January 17 this year, nag-launch ng Trump coin. Nag-launch ng Trump coin. 3 days before yesterday, before inauguration. Officially today, nasa 4 days old pa lang itong crypto na ito. 4 days old pa lang crypto na ito. After 3 days, nag-to the moon siya. Ibig sabihin, kung mayroon kang isang coin ng Trump coin, naging 1,600% yung growth rate niya. Ibig sabihin, kung mayroon kang 100,000, yung 100,000 mo ngayon, within 3 days lang, naging 1.6 million na. Wow! Imagine. Diba? Imagine. Trump coin. Guys, ano yung punto ko dito? Sino yung mga nag-involve? Nag-involve dito, mga presidente na. Ay, nako. Diba? Presidente ng Venezuela. Ngayon, now you know bakit si Elon Musk is one of the supporter of Donald Trump. Kasi tingnan natin not in a political way, in a political lens, tingnan natin in economic lens. Because alam naman natin si Elon Musk is the biggest player in cryptocurrency world. And right after that, nanalo si Donald Trump, January 17, following, nilaunch niya ang Trump coin. Of course, alam ko, nasa ang backup yan. 100% backup yan, si Elon Musk pa rin. 3 days lang, naging times 1,600% growth. So can you imagine how fast it is kumita ng pera? How fast, gaano kabilis lumago yung pera mo in 3 days lang. Ibig sabihin, kung meron kang 100,000, 1.6 million na. This is the digital age right now. Type digital age if this is exciting to you. Can you type digital age? If this is exciting to you, imagine. Guys, think about it. Sino yung player ngayon ng mga Bitcoin? Presidents. Diba? Tapos sa atin, Bitcoin, naku, scam yan. Forex, naku, scam yan. Wake up. Are you getting me? Presidents of the world, the president of the strongest nation on the world, one of the biggest player in cryptocurrency. Tapos tayo, bro, mag-ano ka? Mag-trading ka, mag-forex ka, mag-crypto ka. Ay, naku, scam yan. You see, guys, perspective. Iba yung nakita mo, iba yung nakita nila. Are you with me? Yeah, maganda may community kaya para di tayo ma-scam. Aralin natin. Alright? So, I think right now, alam nyo na kung ano yung ibig sabihin. Alam nyo na. So, mababa ng konti, syempre, nag-ano kahapon, sabi ni Donald Trump, sabi ni Donald na ka-name ni President Donald Trump, 46 all-time high ng Trump kahapon, ngayon naging 75 na. Siyempre, hype kasi kahapon pero naging ano siya, kasi nag-inauguration. But this is expected to soar high tuloy-tuloy. Okay, kasi alam naman natin may gagawin si Donald Trump kasi majority of the ano is sa kanya. Okay, of the coin. So alam niyo na may gagawin ito. So if I were you, kasi nag-retest siya ng konti, perfect time to get in. This is my forecast. This is my forecast. Waiting bumaba, oh, pwede na yun. Nag-retest na ng 35. This is my forecast. I'm not sure kung nasa ano na ba siya, coins.ph na ba siya. Pero sa Bybit meron na. IQ options, I don't recommend. Hindi siya for long-term hold. Para siyang trading pero kasi may time siya. It's like para siyang ano, for sure, sa Binance na lang. Kasi okay naman yung Binance sa Pilipinas. Yun na lang. I'm not sure sa coins.ph. Sa Binance na lang para sure. Okay, if I were you, mag-hold na kayo. That's tip, mag-hold na kayo. Ito short to kasi Donald Trump 100%, 'di ba? So, 'yun. Ngayon pa lang, this tip pa lang na binigay ko sa inyo. Thank me later. Maraming maging multi-millionaire dito. This alone. This alone. This alone. Okay. Sa Binance na lang para sure. Okay naman yung Binance sa Pilipinas. Nag-okay na tayo sa Binance. Okay. So, XRP pwede. Mayroon akong XRP dati. So, yeah, pag-usapan natin yan para dun sa mga bago pa lang talaga, paano ba natin, how we could get in? Paano ba tayo maki-involve? Paano ba tayo insured? Paano ba tayo yumaman dito? Mamaya, 3 simple steps ipapakita ko sa inyo. Okay? Pero nag-stay mo na lang dito, hindi ako makaget over. Grabe. Ganon kabilis kumita ng pera ngayon. Alright? So guys, yun, pag-usapan natin kung another aside from cryptocurrency or Bitcoin is another opportunity to get involved in the digital age is Forex. Forex. Walang sayang. Mamaya, paikot ko sa iyo bakit hindi siya sayang. Okay. By the way, before Forex guys, sa crypto pa pala tayo. Oh, dito naman sa Pilipinas, sa community natin guys, may kumita ng 1 million in peso lang naman, pero not bad. Imaginein mo, 1 million in peso. 1 million, isang buwan lang naman, last October, kumita lang naman siya ng 18,000 BTC USD. Ito naman is trade, not hold ha. Not hold, trade naman sa kanya. But still, mamaya kung paano. Oh. So, imagine niyo guys, kumita siya ng 1 million sa Forex. Ito yung screenshot niya. Okay? So, sino siya? Siya si Cherry. Si Cherry is former nurse na this picture, last quarter nasa Dubai siya, but right now nasa Bali sila. Oh, ganun na lang yung buhay nila. Kasi, di ba? 1 million kinita isang buwan eh. Oh, pero ito is 1 year pa ito. 1 year sila nag-involve actually sa community natin sa economy. 1 year sila nag-involve sa economy. Kaya nagustuhan ko yung economy kasi nandito ka na eh. So, tapos mamaya papa-i-explain ko. Nandito ka na eh. Pwede ka na mag-start. Okay? So, 1 million. Sino gusto kumita 1 million isang buwan? Okay. Okay. So, mamaya pag-usapan natin. Another na kumuha lang ng konti, portion. Kumuha lang ng konting portion. Doon sa sumabay lang sa all-time high ng BTC, syempre sabay siya kasi umakyat. January 20, bago la, 3 days ago, kaibigan natin si Coach Gio. Guys, isang araw, kumita lang naman siya ng 2,838 or 164 in peso isang araw. Isang araw. Hindi nga ito milyon-milyon. But in reality, tatanggapin mo ba? Okay lang ba sa'yo kikita ng 100,000 pesos isang araw dahil sa pagtitrade ng Bitcoin? Okay lang ba? Tatanggapin mo? Tanggapin mo na. Kasi ang hirap kumita ng 100,000 ha. 'Di ba? So this is how, kung paano. Okay, paano? So another, pag-usapan natin yung Forex. So dalawang big giant na industry, Bitcoin and Forex. Those are billion-dollar industry. So it's another way na to get into the digital wealth right now. So what is Forex? Forex is foreign exchange and it's a global marketplace for buying and selling currencies. So buy and sell ng pera. And it's known as a currency market or FX. Okay? So some facts of Forex right now. Okay, sa presentation natin 6.9. Pero ngayon pala 2022, there are 7.5 trillions of Forex. Nasa Forex na tayo guys, sa currency. Ibig sabihin pera. Peso, USD, Euro, ganyan. So yun ang ibig sabihin ng Forex, foreign exchange, currency. Currency yung pinag-usapan dito, pera ng bansa. Okay. Forex daily trading volume is approximately 7.5 trillion daily. Ibig sabihin every day. Every day. So this is one of the biggest transactions in the whole world. Every day. Are you with me? Every day nagpapalitan transactions. Okay, approximately. So kukuha lang tayo ng maliit dyan. Maliit lang. Hindi kailangan trillion. Hindi kailangan billion. Million lang in peso. Okay. So how many Forex traders are there? Approximately, there are 10 million Forex trader. So this is not you. Hindi ka nag-iisa. Million-million na mga tao nagtitrade ngayon. So is it working? Yes. Dumami nga, di ba? Is Forex is working? Yes. Imagine kung hindi siya working, bakit nagkakaroon ng 7.5 trillion transaction every day? Okay? So, yes, approximately 10 million Forex traders na. So, ganito na parami ang mga participants. Where the Forex trading most particular is in Asia. And in Asia, most is hindi sa Pilipinas. In Asia is Hong Kong, Singapore, and Dubai, UAE. Alam mo, in Dubai, kapag ka-crypto ka, what do you do for a living? Oh, I'm a Forex trader. I'm into cryptocurrency. So ang sabi ng mga tao sa iyo doon, you're a multimillionaire because you're in crypto. 'Di ba? If you're in Forex, if you're in crypto, you're a millionaire. Pero sa Pilipinas. Sa Pilipinas, anong ginagawa mo yun? Forex, crypto. Guys, guess, ano yung impression ng mga tao kapag ka Forex and crypto ka? Sige nga, ano yung impression mga tao kapag ka may 'di ba? Scam 'yun, 'di ba? Kasi iba yung perspective. By the way, I would like to address this one. Lucis trading may post din po ba? Yes, meron din. Of course. That's the same in business, 'di ba? Sino to? I hope you understand, Rem. Rem, listen. In the business world, there are wins and there are losses. The same with NBA. Do you watch basketball, Ren? Do you watch basketball? Do you play NBA? Lahat ba ng tira ni Stephen Curry, one of the best shooter, pasok? Hindi. Meron. Pero ano yung kinakount doon? Ang kinakount din yung pasok kasi yun yung nagpapayaman sa kanya. Yun yung nagbibigay ng pera sa kanya. That's the same in any other businesses. May nag-close, may nag-open, may dumami. Pero anong gusto mo? Mag-close yung business mo? Diba? So, siyempre, doon tayo sa kumita. So, ito yung pag-aaralan natin kumita. Paano sila kumita? I am making sense here. I am making sense, Ren. Do you understand me? Otherwise, you wanna reflect and you wanna meditate or you wanna reflect the losses of any businesses or any trades. Now, it's your life. But me, I don't want to reflect that. 'Di ba? Ang pag-uusapan natin dito, inaaral natin kung paano sila nanalo, how to become a winner. Okay? So, this is a business world, all right? So, back to the story. Kung sa Dubai ka, you're you're a multi-millionaire, pero sa Pilipinas, you're a scammer. Kasi hindi tayo educate, di ba? Diba? So, foreign is simple lang. It's a buy and sell. It's a buy and sell. Okay? Yung dollar pinalitan ng euro, yung euro pinalitan ng dollar. So you can buy, you can sell. We have a different training for that. By Saturday, for all our VIP members, mayroon tayong start tayo sa session 1 because that's Saturday, that was an introduction. Chart mastery. Paano natin i-master? Mamaya pag-usapan natin yan. So these are forex are global opportunities. Global opportunities. You can trade anytime, anywhere. Mayroon ba dito taga Singapore? Mayroon dito taga UAE? Nakapag-trade ba kayo dyan? Mayroon ba dito taga Qatar, taga KSA? Nakapag-trade ba kayo dyan? Kasi dito nakapag-trade kami sa Pilipinas. So everywhere pwede kang mag-trade. It's a global. Kahit saan ka, pwede. Diba? Yeah, success leaves clues. Okay? What time? Sa training, mamaya i-announce ko. So, it's a global opportunities. Okay? So, it's a scalable income. It's a scalable income. It's up to you guys kung saan kayo mag-meditate. You want to meditate and lose, then go for it. For me, I want to meditate in gain. Okay? I want to meditate in gain. Kasi, hindi porket lahat ba pumapasok sa negosyo yumaman? Hindi. Pero ibig sabihin ba, hindi na tayo magnegosyo kasi hindi lahat lumaman? Di ba? Come on. You're not getting this one. Okay. But I understand this is not for everyone. Only are those, like I said kanina, only are those willing to embrace. Okay. So it's a scalable income. Start small. Grow as you gain. Grow as you gain confidence and skill. So pwede kang mag-start ng maliit. Halong nide-develop ka, pwede mong i-scale. Thank you, 174 na participants. Akala ko all set na tayo lahat. Ganun talaga, hindi talaga lahat makakita. Okay. Sige. Skill for a lifetime. Kapag ka nagtitrade po kayo, madidevelop mo yung skill. Hindi lang yung forex is the trade mo. Ang skill for a lifetime. You develop a variable skill. Do you know that trading is one of the highest paying skills? So, di ba dati kailangan mag-aral ng engineer? Kasi kapag engineer ka, malaki yung kita mo. Ngayon, yung mga engineer nandito na sa community natin. Kailangan mo maging nautical. Kasi pag nautical, kakikita ka ng 200,000 in 1 month, 500,000 in 1 month. Do you like? Pero mag-aral ka 4 years to 5 years, tapos yung internship dyan is 2 years, 6 years, tapos hindi pa guaranteed na ka nag-graduate ka, makakuha ka ng magandang kumpanya. Are you getting? So ilang years yung sacrifice mo? 6 years, hindi pa guaranteed. Kasi sa amin, mayroon akong kababayan, kababata talaga. Same village, kababata ko. Classmate ko from grade 1 to grade 6. Nag-graduate sa nautical. Nag-intern. Ngayon, doon lang sa amin. Mason, at least may skill, pero mason yung skills niya. Ano yung ibig kong sabihin? It takes time to develop a skills. To develop a skills in parang maging seafarer ka. 4 years, 6 years. To develop a skill, magiging engineer ka, and kikita ng 100,000. Kung sa Philippines, siguro nasa mga 50,000 to 100,000, 200,000. It will take you 6 years, 5 years. Di ba? Pero guys, forex trading is one of the highest paying skills. Pwede kang kikita 1,000,000 isang araw, ay isang buwan. Pwede kang kumita 100,000. Tapos sasabihin ko sa'yo, bro, aralin mo 1 week. Ayaw mong aralin. So, ibig sabihin, you're not interested. Di ba? Kailangan mo lang, guys. Kailangan mo lang. I can guarantee. Kailangan mo lang. Mag-focus ka lang. 2 to 3 months. 2 to 3 months. Enough na yun. 2 to 3 months. Yan lang yung kailangan mo. Mobilisya po barko. Okay. Di nakasampa na lang. Okay po. Di ba? Pwede kasi hindi ka pa makasampa, hindi ka makasakay. So, ano pang problema? Okay, kasi may kasama tayo si Ferrer dito. Okay? So, ito is skill. Inaral mo yung skill. Kailangan mo lang aralin ito 2 months to 3 months. Yun lang. And then you develop a skill na pwede kang kumita 100,000 sa isang araw because of that skill. Are you with me? So, are you learning? Mayroon ba kayong that's old school. Comparison of old school. Nothing wrong about it. Nothing wrong. Ako nag-aral din ako, guys. 5 years ako nag-aral sa college, Ateneo. There's nothing wrong about it. But we need to see it right now that we are in the digital age. The skill before is not relevant to the skill of today if you want to make million. Are you following? Are you getting my point? So, kailangan mo siyang aralin sa digital era. Kaya trading, kailangan siyang aralin. Kaya yung community natin, nagbibigay tayo ng ano. Tapos hindi ko naman nakuha. Anong hindi mo nakuha? 2 weeks ka lang pa nagtitrade. 3 weeks, 3 days ka lang nagtitrade. Tapos, it's too early to make a decision na hindi mo nakuha. Habang 5 years ka nag-aaral, hindi ka nga nakakuha ng trabaho. Wake up! Are you getting me? Diba? So like I said, this is not for everyone. Anyway, I understand. Yung iba, they will get offended, but that's it. That's life. Life is sometimes you need to swallow a hard pill. Kailangan we need to do a hard talk here. Tawag dito, real talk para mamatauhan din tayo paminsan-minsan. Okay? So, and it's good for part-time. So, you're working, very good. That's very good. Congratulations, may trabaho kayo kasi maraming walang trabaho. But if you want to shift, gusto mo magkatapot yung kita mo from 5 digit, magiging 6 digit, daily, monthly, pwede mo siyang gawing side hustle. Side hustle. Alright? So, part-time, pwede. Okay? Just recently, sa community natin, by the way, nag-shortcut, just recently, sa community natin is, kanina lang, may nag-screenshot. Isang araw. I'm sure this is not a 3-day trader. This is not a one-month trader. That is a trader at least for 6 months. Magkano kinita niya? Tingnan mo guys yung date. 2025-122. Magkano kinita niya? 2,382 lang naman. How much is that? 135,000 isang araw lang naman. Tapos aralin mo. Di ba? Di ba? Guys, ito, babalik na rin ko. Kung ikaw kumikita ng ganito, willing ka bang aralin ito for just 1 week or even 1 month or even 2 months or 3 months? Kung ito yung kalaki yung kikitain mo sa isang araw, sinong willing? Can you drop number 5 if you are willing? Kung ito kalaki yung kikitain mo sa isang araw, willing ka ba? I'm not sure hindi lahat willing. Like I said, this is not for everyone. But if you are willing, then we will work together. Okay, we will work together. Kasi I understand this is not for everyone. Okay. Ito lang yung nakakita sa digital. Ito lang yung mga, may iba yung mga nakikita nila yung hindi nakikita ng iba. Yeah, Norian, I love that. Willing na willing, 300% worth learning. Yes, tama. Imagine. Guys, wake up. There are people in the other side of the world, Filipino, kumita ng 135 in 1 day. Tapos sasabihin mo, ang mahal naman dyan, 10,000 yung course, learning, 10,000 pesos. Diba? Tapos sabihin mo, ano ba? Scam yan. Come on. It's clearly says that yung mga tao hindi nila nakikita. Okay. Paano nangyari yung, ano niya? Ang tawag nito is lot size. Ito yung set na lot size niya. Medyo malaki. Of course, it's not advisable for new traders. 1 lot size, 1 pataas, ito yung pang ano na to, pang mga traders na talaga, marunong na talaga, magaling na talaga. Aminin na natin, magaling talaga. Magaling to. Hindi to basta-basta. Pero of course, hindi to magaling ng instant. I'm sure inaral to. Months to na inaral. Okay? Okay? Alam niyo ba yung mga rito, babae? Grabe ha. Alright, okay. Now, kung gusto niyo kumita kaagad na habang nag-aaral kayo, pwede kayong mag-AI. Meron tayong AI sa community na yan. Meron tayong Wealth Builder AI, compounding. So, while nag-aaral kayo, automated wealth, ask nyo lang kung sino yung nag-invite sa inyo sa GC and then we'll give you the video kung paano. Stress-free. Okay, stress-free. Si AI na yung nagtitrade para sa'yo. May mga ganun na pala. Yes, man. Digital nga eh. Gusto ko kasi, gusto kasi coach laging shortcut. Wala namang problema. Kaya nga na-i-scam. Kasi gustong kumita na walang ginagawa, hindi inaral. If you are if you are a millionaire, tapos mag-hire ka ng empleyado, do you want to hire someone na walang alam? Siyempre, 'di ba? Hindi, 'di ba? But this is the legit way. Nakikita ka na wala kang ginagawa para hindi ka ma-scam, ito na lang. AI trading. O AI trading na lang. Ito na lang. Para kumita ka, wala kang ginagawa. Pero ito hindi ito yung malaking gain talaga. Maliit lang yung gain ito, pero this is meron siyang 1 year proven track record just to parang advertise lang, okay? So, but it's not our main topic. Papakita ko lang sa inyo, pwede ka palang magkaroon ng ganito. Alright? So, like I said, kanina, ano yung objective natin for this event? Actually, malapit na tayong natapos. I think nakuha nyo na kung ano yung ibig kong sabihin. Mga smart naman kayo at mga globe pa. Okay, global pa. Remember, our objective is to empower participants with actionable knowledge and strategies. So dito tayo, do you want to know 3 simple ways kung paano maging part, kung paano to create wealth in digital? 3 simple ways. Can you type number 3? 3 simple ways. Can you type number 3? 3 simple ways. Gusto mo? Magbibigay ako ng simple tips. How to get involved. Paano ka mag-start? Paano ka kikita? In short, how to be part of this digital wealth revolution that we are doing right now. Thank you. All right, number 1. And this is my closing, and then we will close. And then think about it, my dear brother. Kung hindi mo ba mabayaran yung utang mo dito, iwan ko na lang sa'yo. Okay? Iwan ko na lang sa'yo. Ang gagawin lang natin, guys, kukuha lang tayo ng portion, ha? Kukuha lang tayo ng portion. Hindi tayo kukuha ng lahat-lahat. Hindi tayo kukuha ng trillion. Kung kaya mo, walang problema. Kikaya lang tayo ng portion. Portion lang. 1 million lang. Sabi ni Dua, 3 pala. Okay lang naman yung gwarduhan dyan. Number 1 ka lang. Okay, kukuha lang tayo ng portion, guys. 1%, kukurot lang tayo. Konting dollar lang. Konting dollar lang. Kagaya ng ginagawa. Konting dollar lang. Kukurot lang tayo ng dollar. Okay? Kung sabi sa'yo pa, manguhit na tag dollar ba? Manguhit lang. O Tagalog, kukurot lang naman tayo. Hindi naman kailangan grabe talaga. Okay. So, ito 3 simple step, guys, but it's very doable. It's very applicable. You can start from this one. Okay? You can start from this one. 3 simple steps to involve in digital wealth or to start earning in digital wealth. So, I think it's clear by now, nakita nyo kung gaano kalaki yung opportunity sa digital wealth or sa digital age, digital currency. Diba? Alright? So, number one. Who's ready? Number one is, of course, aralin nyo. Hindi ka pwedeng pumasok sa isang bagay, lalo na money involved, kung hindi mo alam. Aralin mo. Learn. Check. Kaya nga, I congratulate you kung sinandito ka. The ins and out, paano ka pumasok, aralin mo. Okay, aralin. May free naman. Sa Google, everything. Kung mag-self-study ka, pwede. Medyo complicated nga lang kasi hindi mo alam kung saan magsimula, tapos hindi mo alam. Alam niyo naman ngayon sa YouTube, hindi na clickbait na yung mga videos, hindi na siya reality. So, yun lang, medyo complicated. Kaya aralin mo siya. But the only way to get involved this one is aralin mo. Alam mo. Alamin mo. Okay? Now, sa community namin, sa economy, meron tayong basic, meron tayong advanced. Kung gusto mo lang, optional, pwede ka mag-enroll. Meron tayong basic, meron tayong advanced, meron tayong crypto, anytime pwede mo ma-withdraw. Plus, sa community natin, I missed this one. Okay. Plus, may na-miss. Okay, this one. Tapos dito sa community natin, sa mga VIP, mini yung nag-enrolled, meron tayong every Saturday. Hindi siya may-scan. Every Saturday na lang ito. Meron tayong chart mastery, technical analysis and trading. Ano yan? Kasama yan every Saturday, 8 p.m. So, mag-start na nyo. Ito yung klaseng training, guys, na binabayaran ito for 80,000 per course. Okay? 80,000 per course, 75,000. Kasi ang mangyayari ito is technical analysis, tapos meron itong mga indicators na ibibigay namin, tapos understanding lahat-lahat. Kasi you don't expect na maging Di ba kanina may nakita ko law student daw. We don't expect na maging lawyer ka na hindi mo inaral yung law. Ilang years ba inaaral yung law? I have a pamangkin. The son of my brother is studying law right now in Ateneo. So I think 4 years plus board exam. Paano mo ma-master yung law? 4 years, 4 years. Kung papasa ka sa bar exam, then you will be a lawyer at hindi pa guaranteed yun na papasa ka sa bar exam. Okay? So at least dito, 2 months lang. Just give it 2 months, guys. 2 months, 3 months. Chart mastery. Meron na, Tagalog pa. Okay, sa community natin. Exclusive sa community natin. So nandito na ngayon. Hindi kagaya dati, sana ko pwede mag-enroll. Sana ko nandito na. So it's really up to you. So hindi ito para sa lahat, like I said, but those who are really serious and really willing to take part of this digital economy. Chart mastery every Saturday. More on technical analysis yung tinuturo natin dito, guys. Ito yung klaseng kind of training na babayaran mo 80,000 for 3 days. 75,000 for 3 days. Pero sa atin, kasama na ho yan sa community natin yung sa nag-enroll lang sa economy. Alright? Bonus lang yan. Tapos sa mga lecturer pa dyan, mga engineer. 2 engineer. Okay? Isang dating seaman. Okay. Number 2. That's number 1. Number 1 is aralin mo. Number 2, mag-start ka, mag-trade. Start mo mag-trade, kapatid. Kahit demo account, start ka. Hindi ka maging marunong mag-drive ng bisikleta kung magbabasa ka lang ng libro. How can you learn how to ride a bike if you're just reading books? Hindi. You start. You learn, you start, you apply. Mayroon namang demo account. Sa community natin, magtanong ka paano mag-demo, tuturuan kita. Kahit hindi ka nag-enroll, paano mag-demo, tuturuan kita. Okay? Dun sa i-message mo yung mga sponsor, paano mag-demo? Kahit if you're not ready to enroll, importante mag-start ka, magsimula ka. Aralin mo. Okay? Aralin mo. The way to start is just implement. Just do it. Sabi ni Nike, gawin mo lang. Hindi kailangan magaling ka na para mag-start. No. You need to start para maging magaling ka. Di ba? Hindi. Tsaka muna ako mag-enroll para alam ko na. Hello, mag-enroll ka nga para malaman mo, di ba? So, maraming mga baluktot na mindset di ba? Saan po pwede mag-demo? Yan. Sa GC, magtanong kayo doon. Maraming nagsasagot sa inyo dyan sa community natin. If I'm not busy, magsasagot din ako. So, I'm to demo account? Yes, that's true. Kaya natatawa si Mary Jane. Diba? Gusto mo, mamaya ako mag-enroll pag magaling na ako mag-practice. Kaya nga mag-enroll para matuto. Ay, alam mo may ganyan. Sir, baka ako mag-enroll, mag-practice man ako sa demo. Tinuruan namin mag-demo. Ay, nagpag-request pa ng one-on-one. Binanuruan namin sa coffee shop. Hindi pa nga kami binili ng coffee. Tinuruan namin. Remember guys, one-on-one coaching in Forex trading is 5,000 per session yan. 5,000 per session one-on-one. Okay? Tinuruan. Hindi nag-enroll, okay lang. Alam niya, after few months, nag-message siya sa akin. Hindi ko na ni-replyan kasi magpa-one-on-one na naman. Sabi ko, ay nako. Diba? Hindi willing mag-invest, hindi willing to start. Mag-start ka. But if you have at least a little bit of part of your investment, kasi, di ba, ganoon naman talaga, pag mag-aral ka sa paral, may tuition naman talaga, di ba? So, 149, that's below 10,000, you can start. Tapos, meron ka na mga kasamang mga tools, okay? Meron tayong tools, AI tools, tapos pwede ka na mag-AI trading, VIP signal. Hindi nga lang 100%, pero mataas pa rin yung win rate niya. 70% win rate. Meron tayong tamang academy, live trading, marami. Meron kang community, marami. Tuturo namin sa inyo. Okay? Pero of course, don't expect na after 3 days, maging expert ka na kaagad. Hindi. At least mga 1 month. At least 1 month na intensive, guys. Yung pag-aaral mo, intensive. Ibig sabihin, intentional talaga. Tinutukan mo talaga. Okay, inaral mo talaga. Kasi sa paaralan, di ba, kailangan mo aralin para makakuha ng magandang grado. Pero dito, kailangan mo aralin para makakuha ng magandang dollar. Di ba? Saan ka ngayon? Di ba? So, magpa-enroll ka na kung gusto mong seryosohin mo itong digital wealth kasi ang sarap sumabay. Okay? So, mayroon tayong tinatawag na Wealth Builder AI. Kasama to if mag-enroll kayo. So, number 3. What's number 1? What's number one? What's number one, guys? Number one. Can you type number one? 3 simple ways. Number one, aralin. Tama. There's no substitute. There's no shortcut. If you want to engage in this one, kailangan aralin. Same lang naman. Sa profession. Gusto mo yung maging law, mag-aral ka lawyer. Gusto mo maging seaman, mag-aral ka seaman. Gusto mo maging engineer, mag-aral ka engineer. 4 years. 5 years. Diba? O sabi niya, 100. Wow. Diba? Number 2, mag-trade ka. Mag-start ka. So, nang maging profitable ka na sa trading, kumikita ka na ng, by the way guys, anong goal nyo? Medyo workshop na tayo ng ulit. If you're going to engage in trading, ano ba yung at least weekly income nyo sa trading? Pakitype nga, ano yung 100,000 ba? Dapat alam natin yung may goal tayo. Sige nga guys, ano yung desired mo? 50K. That's good, that's ideal. Okay. 1K USD per week. Oh, that's good, that's 50K. Okay. Kumita ka ng 50K, I will get this an example. 100K, I like that. I will get 100K as an example. Okay. 100K, kumita ka 100K per week. Ibig sabihin, that's around 400,000 a week. Okay? Tapos, yung 100,000 mo, bumili ka ng coin, i-hold mo. It's not an issue anymore. It's not an issue anymore kasi may kita ka na sa trading. Di ba? This is step by step. First, aralin mo. Second step, mag-trade ka. Malit lang. Don't expect kumita ka kaagad. Bigyan mo na yung self mo at least 3 months. 2 to 3 months. Bigyan mo yung self mo. Tapos itodo mo. Seryosohin mo. Kasi sa lahat naman ng bagay, kung gusto mo talagang umangat, dapat seryosohin mo. Kahit sa pag-aaral, kailangan seryosohin. Kahit sa trabaho, kung hindi mo seryosohin trabaho mo, sisente ka. So, seryosohin mo. Gawin mo. Kapatid, I challenge you. Seryosohin mo. 2 to 3 months lang. Seryosohin mo, aralin mo, mag-trade ka, actual demo. Kung konti lang yung capital mo, mag-live trade ka para ma-master mo yung tinatawag natin na psychology at saka emotion. Send account lang muna para malaki para hindi ka ganun masunugan kagad, and then apply yung risk management natin. Doon sa mga VIP, may training tayo risk management, may mga record doon. Apply mo muna. Send account mo. Yes, win 100 USD mo, send account mo muna. And then after that, maging magaling ka na. Siyempre, gagaling ka. Everyday ka magte-trade. Gumagaling talaga. Bakit ako, I'm very bullish on this one. Ano ibig sabihin, I'm very bullish. I'm very confident and I'm very hopeful of this one because alam ko magagaling yung mga Filipino. Sinong sasangayon sa akin na magagaling yung mga Pilipino? Magagaling tayo, guys. Kaya natin ito. Kung sa Bisaya pa, mga bright tao, tukanta, kaya natin to. Kailangan lang natin to tiyagaan. Tamang mindset. Di ba dati sabi, magagaling yung mga Filipino, wala namang opportunity. Ito na ngayon, daming opportunity. Nasa mukha mo na. Di ba magagaling tayo, kailangan lang talaga tiyagaan. Matatalino yung mga Pilipino eh. Tiyagaan lang natin guys, I'm sure. Aangat yung buhay natin. Marami nang umangat eh. Marami nang umangat. Kaya lang sana nakita niyo yung opportunity. Di ba? Nakita niyo yung opportunity. Guys, eto, number 1, you learn. Tingnan mo Number 1, you learn. Number 2, you start trading. And then, yung kumita ka na sa trading, kumita ka na ng 100,000 per, sabihin natin 50,000 per week. Okay? Tapos yung 1/4 doon, bumili ka ng coin, i-hold mo. Mag-hold ka ng coin. That's number 3. Mag-hold ka. Because you can't hold kung wala kang pangbili. Di ba? Wala kang pangbili. Mag-hold ka. Mag-hold ka. Trump coin. Okay, mag-hold ka. Anong XRP o anong gusto mo ko, ETH, Ethereum, Bitcoin, okay, Solana, okay, Polygon, di ba? Mag-hold ka. Mga altcoins, mag-hold ka. Okay, meme coins, mag-hold ka. Okay, Doge, okay, Pi. Nagka-value na ba yung Pi? Tagal ng Pi, Shiba, di ba? Sino may mga holder ng Pi dito? Hindi nagka-value eh. Pero may kasi sa black market, nagbibidihan na sila. Di ba? So, sir, magkano kita daily sa forex trading? Depende sa inyo. Depende sa skills mo. May mga kumita sa community natin na 100 USD per day. May mga kumita 100,000 per day. Depende sa skill mo. Aaralin mo. Okay? So, di ba? Mag-hold ka. So, you learn. Can you type? You learn. You trade. Tapos you hold coin. That's the 3 simple way kung paano mag-involve. Okay, type mo nga. You learn, you trade, you start to trade, and then you hold. Ang hawakan mo yung coin, ha? Hindi basta-basta yung ano yung hawakan mo. Okay. Guys, I'm sure by now, nakuha nyo na kung ano yung ibig sabihin. I hope this presentation may nakita kayo. Did you see what I see? Kasi like I said, only visionaries ang makakita. Yung mga taong hindi nakakita, ano yung nakita nila? Sabi lang, wow, special naman. May nakikita ka na hindi namin nakikita. Di ba? Yun lang. Those your, are you learning, guys? No? I hope nakita nyo sa lens, no, sa vernacular ng mga mata ninyo para makapag-start na kayo. Guys, simulan mo na. Start now. Huwag mo nang patatagalin. Bakit? Bakit? Oh, nawala yung isang ano ko, closing ano ko ah. Closing, meron akong closing. Wait, let me just let me just make it. Guys, isulat niyo lang anong natutunan niyo, take away. I'll make my last slide na lang, okay? Sulat niyo anong take away niyo, guys. Anong take away niyo for tonight? At saka tapos yung magandang take aways, bigyan natin ng coin. Bigyan natin ng token. All right? Anong take aways mo? To the moon. Take action. Okay, tama yan, tama yan. I'm learning. Action. Actionan mo, mag-start ka. Okay? So, ito na yung last slide ko. Ginagawa ko pa. Okay? At least para maano nyo talaga. Maintindihan nyo talaga kung ano yung dapat gawin. Okay? So, ito. This is my last slide. My last slide is, I think nakita nyo. Okay, my last slide is, the best time to plant a tree is or was 20 years ago. Okay? But, the second best time to plant a tree is now. In short, the best time to invest in crypto or in Forex 20 years ago, the second best time is now. Guys, I hope nagiging eye-opener ito sa inyo. Sa amin lang naman sa community, bigay namin lahat learning information, kung kaya namin mabigay sa community. Of course, sa iyo pa rin ikaw pa rin kung paano ka, depende sa mindset mo, depende sa application mo, kasi business mo yan, depende. Pero kung mayroon kang community, at least mayroon kang matutulong sa inyo, may mga trainings sa ganito, dahan-dahan masya-sharpen yung mga ano natin. Ang goal ko lang, guys, ang prayers ko lang sa inyo, mabago natin yung pamilya natin, yung mga utang natin mababayaran, yung mga nagtatrabaho sa lahat sa abroad, pwedeng mag for good, pwedeng kumita ng 6-digit dahil dito at mag for good na uwi sa Pilipinas para ma-enjoy nila yung family nila. Yun lang naman yung prayers ko eh. Wala akong ibang prayers talaga, guys. Kasi magkano lang naman yung kikitain namin sa IB, yung mga nag-join sa amin sa affiliate, maliit lang naman yun. Pero yung mabago, may maraming tao na mabago yung buhay nila. Guys, si Sir Eman, 66 years old, kumikita 100 USD per day, 100, napakalaking bagay na ho yun. Guys, dito ako tatapos sa slide na ito. The best time to plant the tree was 20 years ago, and the second best time is now. Thank you so much. God bless everyone. To God be the glory. See you in GC, guys. See you in GC. And tomorrow, guys, may tayo, onboarding call sa mga members, and then sa Saturday may training tayo. God bless everyone. Thank you so much for joining. I love you all. Amping ingat. Mabuhay po kayo.